Are you looking for a way to assign a unique ID to your Stackby records? This might be because you may be using Stackby as a campaign tracker, and you'd like to have each of your campaigns to have their own custom unique ID. Or if you're using Stackby to keep track of your bug requests and want to assign each bug a different ID. Whatever your workflow demands, Stackby can help you achieve it. Let's see how.
Let's say you're running your marketing campaigns. You can see the stack is used to keep track of all your marketing campaigns. So now, if I want to assign a unique ID to each of my campaigns, there are 3 ways to do it in Stackby. So let's see how. The first step, I've already created a new view so that I can easily show you how I can create the unique IDs. So I've just hidden all the columns and I've just added the campaign column. Now, if I want to assign a unique ID to this, there are 3 ways to do it in Stackby. One is through the Autonumber field type. So if I click on add column, you go to Autonumber. So this is an Autonumber will basically give you a unique counter for each of the record and it assigns an Autonumber. So if you apply it, you will see that a unique ID is assigned to each of the campaigns. The second way is through the row ID formula function. So if I open up a column, I go to formula, and here if I type the row ID function and show it as a string, I can just apply. So I will see that a unique row ID is created for each of those campaigns. Now, if I want to create a unique ID based on the name, the ID and the row ID, let's see how we can do it. So if I go to another column, I create a formula. In this case, I'll basically create a formula where it's a concat of 3 things. I just have to take the left 8 characters of the name campaign, the ID, join it with an ID, and only left 6 characters of the row ID. So basically, if I just add string and apply, so you will see that a unique ID is created here. And this unique ID is basically your new campaign ID. So this takes the first 8 characters of the campaign name, joins it with the Autonumber incremental ID, and it just takes the first 6 characters of the row ID. So this is how you can create your custom unique ID for any of the workflows that you have in Stackby.